Noreen, how has the treatment you received from Dr. Alpert enhanced the quality of your life, and how has your experience been with our office?
I've been a patient of Dr. Alpert's for, I would say, about 20 years or more. Probably more like 25 years. Dr. Alpert is a exceptional dentist or periodontist specialist who saved my teeth. I probably would have lost my uppers 10 years earlier than I did. And then when we had no choice, he referred me to a cosmetic dentist who fitted me with a denture. Wasn't very comfortable, and I was having trouble eating certain foods. So Dr. Alpert recommended putting in
implants.
Implants. Thank you. My mind went blank there for a second. Which he did in his office. He was extremely caring, extremely patient. Financially, he worked with me because I was a working person and wasn't making that much money. But we all admitted and agreed that I needed this kind of treatment. He called me after I got home to make sure that I was doing okay physically. It was, I won't say painless, but relatively painless. It could have been much worse had it been a less caring or practicing physician. I can't say enough about Dr. Alpert and his staff. If ever I've had a toothache or a problem, they've always managed to fit me in somewhere, somehow, to get treatment, immediate treatment, and not wait. I never wait long in the office. Everyone is extremely polite, caring. It's a wonderful place. They're very trustworthy, and I'm very happy here. And I am thrilled that he's still practicing, and hope he continues in good health and continues to practice for many years to come.
And let's just talk briefly about the foods you can eat.
Oh, well, I can remember shortly after I got my implants, I hadn't been eating apples or corn on the cob, and it was the summertime, and there's nothing like fresh summer corn. And I figured, well, I'll give it a try. I hadn't eaten it for many years. And the first time I took a bite of the corn, I started to cry because it was so natural and normal. And my appearance was natural and normal, much like it was. In fact, very few people, unless I tell them I have an upper denture, don't realize I have, because it does not impede my speech, it does not impede my looks, and certainly not my eating. And every time I take a bite of an apple, I remember him fondly and send a little prayer up to God to keep him safe.
And you're very comfortable with how you are now, because you had mentioned the denture was not comfortable.
Oh no, it's extremely comfortable now.
Right.
Very comfortable. In fact, a lot of times I forget that it's in, because it is so comfortable.
Well, thank you very much.
You're very welcome.